How to use eHarmony promo code. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can use eHarmony promo code. So let's start. First of all, open eHarmony and log into your account. You can use either app or the website version of the platform. I'll be using the website version. So basically, you can apply the promo codes when you try to subscribe to premium plans on eHarmony. So first of all, log into your account and then try to upgrade to premium. You'll find this upgrade to premium option. Tap on it. After that, select the premium plan that you would like to purchase. After you select a particular premium plan to purchase, as you scroll below, you'll find a section to enter the promo code. Since it's my new account that I just created, a promo code which is 50% off for the first month has already been applied to my account. However, if you are a long-time user of the platform, then you'll find a blank space where you can apply the promo code. So simply enter the promo code on this space, then after tap on select. After that, you'll have to make your payment. So enter all of your related card details and then tap on continue. As you complete the payment, you'll have to pay the amount calculated after deducting the promo code discount. So in this way, you can easily use eHarmony promo codes. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.